Okay gang, here's another day working on the Multicade2. I'm real reluctant to give it its name right now. I have some art that is getting built right now, and pretty pumped that to show it once it's done and whatnot. And I don't really want to tell you the name. It's a little little teaser right now, but I think the art's going to be fantastic on it. All right, here's Neo Geo that I picked up. I'm not sure when my films are going to go out on that, or my videos, but that was a nice find. Still just the way I picked it up. Still need to restore it, but this one's on the Multicade. All right, so everything's ready to go. Laminate's done, artwork's getting produced. There's a multi-game board ordered, it's on the way. So I'm just working on the monitor today. So here's the monitor. We're going to do a test on it. So this is a 19-inch Wells Gardner K7000. I spent about an hour yesterday cleaning this up. Didn't go crazy on it. People take the chassis right out, put it in the sink and wash it. I have done that with the Electrum Geo 7s that I have, but not this one. I didn't want to go too crazy. I'm not familiar with this Wells Gardner, but clean up as best as I can. For now, I'm going to do a test. I bought a test pattern generator, which is right here. It takes a 9-volt battery, so I got a pack of those. These connect up to the chassis of the monitor, and then we can go through some of the patterns that will show on the tube. And these patterns, you can tell if it needs tweaking the color, or changing some of the geometry, changing some of the purity, and the convergence. Convergence rings are right here. You turn them, get things lined up, line the guns up, the color guns. So anyway, this is definitely new for me. Still getting to learn the monitors, the terminology, and see what this test pattern generator will do. There's not a ton of information out there on it, because I want to know exactly where these wires hook up, and there's different options of where you place these within the generator. But it seems pretty simple, and I hope it is. I brought my power supply. So here's the power supply that I built. It's basically a mobile multi-power supply. So we have a cord. This goes into the wall. Okay, so there's the wall plug. I made this especially for the monitor. So this is your 120 going into the monitor. This plug here. It is first going through this filter. Isolation transformer, I should say, that's here, and which you need that to supply power to a monitor. This also has a built-in switching power supply, so we can, let's just keep it up here, so we can test a game board if we need to. I use tape to cover those up. But there's your 120 to supply to the switching power supply. You got your +5, your -5, your +12. So, and this color indicated switch when power is on. This switch is another illuminated switch for this power supply. And then on the back, another option, I just put a regular 120 plug, which also actually has 5-volt USB on it. So tried to make this fairly multi-purpose mobile or portable. So there we go. It's a little bit of a you know, homemade jobby here with board and you know, plastic, I don't know, dish of some kind, but she's all strapped in and ready to power this up. It does work, tested it, used it, but this will be the first time powering up a monitor. So we'll see how this rocks and rolls here. So anyway, let me get set up and we'll I'm going to put it back just the way they have it. So this clip. I'm not sure what's going on. This was, clips were made with the intention of a Wells Gardner. So I'm going to put it back just the way that is. Hope for the best. Okay, so here's the power for it. Putting that straight in the Molex here. There should be a proper Molex on this side, but there isn't. That's exactly how the game came, it's like that. Okay, so that's plugged in. This is plugged in. I put a ground on here just to be doubly safe, because usually these monitors have a ground. I just got a ground clip here. All right, leave this off for now. I'm going to turn this monitor, see what's going on here. Okay. Monitor has power. Put on Test Pattern Generator. Whoa. It's working. That is sweet. For some reason I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting some sort of tragic troubleshooting ordeal, so I'm not saying that's not the case yet, but let's go through the patterns here. So that's your opening menu. Okay, so on this pattern generator we have you know, your on switch, standard resolution switch here to the left, so that's on. Your pinout here, I looked at the dip switches, that should be standard. They're even indicated here on this label. And there's a small button here that will go through the pattern. So let's test the switch here. So okay, there's the checkerboard. Yeah, it should be clear, black and white, so you have traces of other colors there. So this monitor will need adjusted. A little bit of burn in from the previous game that's in the middle, but this color should be a little crisper. But okay, this is good. This is good progress. That alignment is a little off, looks like. So there's your green, blue, and here's your. Okay, so this is a little off. This is your animated test. These blocks should be up. The screen is way too enlarged. That's good. Here's your convergence. So this looks really good. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but if we got nice crisp white lines, it means your convergence, the guns are correct. If you have the convergence off, you have these colors that are stacked together, red, green, blue, to make white. And then if red is off, you'll see red poking out to one side, or if it's blue, poking out the other side, and you'll have to fix that with the convergent rings. But you know, this is a good first stage for me. So that looks good because I don't want to mess with those rings anyway. So, but the rest we should be able to just get with some adjustment. I'm just not sure which pattern to first adjust. Actually, that animated one should be good because those bricks at the bottom should be able to see all those. Give me a second, I'll find some TV adjustment tools. Alright, some tools here. These are all plastic, I should say these are all plastic, made for TV adjustment. So they do not conduct electricity. Vertical size. Okay, so that's going up. Alright. Okay. Probably better adjust it with this one. Okay. How's that? Position's not bad. Hit the top corners. Let's see if we can fill the screen. There. Okay. Well, the next one, start altering these colors here. Okay, I'm not sure. Blue there. I'm really not sure how to adjust this, but somebody's probably screaming at me, no, not touch, don't touch that one. Not as easy as it seems here. The center seems good though. Maybe that's what I should be looking at, the center, because this is a little off, but okay. Let's try something else here. Let's try just focus. Contrast. A little brighter, that's good. Better. That seems better. Okay, back at it here. I think it's coming along good. Better than I expected, so I'm happy. Might not get it perfect here, but we're making progress. Yeah, that's too contrast and brightness is off. Should be a black green. Oh. Okay, interesting. Didn't know that was gonna happen. Now this is brightness. Okay, adjusted the focus there. That's better. Way better animation now. Oh yeah, I think that's getting good now. I wasn't even gonna touch this monitor, but that's off. I know it's off horizontally. I can't change it right now. That is off. Issues, you change one thing and then messes something else up. So we adjust that, something else might be messed up. Still better than it was. That's still good. You could tweak this monitor forever. Still never come out perfect, so well, I think it's good. Good. So that is a success. That is a success. So pretty pumped. So all these functions are right here. What I was adjusting mostly was this brightness and contrast. So what can I say? We got it adjusted. This is the monitor that's going to go in the new Multicade. So that task is complete, and successful first run of the test pattern generator, and so that's good. Awesome, gang. All right. See you. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is Jeff from JRockProjects. Appreciate the support. Cheers.